All right, the Valley Skycam is pointed to the south and west. That's where some of these clouds are making their way into the region from. And as we see them thicken up, we're starting to see some returns on the radar. Now, as you can see from that tower cam shot there, not all of that is making its way down to the ground. Here's a look at temperatures right now. This hour we have 20s up north of Highway 2, 28 Grand Forks, 28 Roseau, 36 in Wahpeton, though, and we're still near 40 in places like Gwinner and Sisseton. And here is that radar return note. We see the clouds on the satellite right there, that ledge approaching Fargo-Moorhead, but we're not seeing any of this coming out of the clouds and reaching the ground yet, as we are seeing changes as we get ready to head toward the late night hours. Now, there is a chance that some of this is falling down to the ground, but with temperatures near 40 degrees in many of these areas, it'll likely be in the form of a raindrop or two, maybe mixed with a flake or so of snow as we head into the evening hours. Where you see this batch of clouds moving northward, that's where we'll have the hit and miss stuff. The better chance of precipitation begins as we get beyond the midnight hour here. Our model picks up on stuff that's going to be reaching the ground near Jamestown in the Southern Valley during that midnight hour. Notice clear skies and teens by midnight up north. As we go through the overnight hours, we're going to see some snowfall that will begin to accumulate overnight north of Highway 200. Down to the south, I think we'll see areas of mist, fog, low clouds, drizzle, maybe even some freezing drizzle as we get into places with temperatures that will be dramatically cooler. So watch for slippery spots on area roads first thing in the morning. As we begin the day, we'll have hit and miss showers of snow up north. We will still have low clouds and fog throughout the morning half of the day here in the south. And we could still see some drizzle drops here and there. Look at temperatures, 35 to 40 south, 20s north, as the snow showers pretty much exit by the midday hour. Then in the afternoon, what you're going to notice, the clouds stay. Hit and miss precipitation here and there, but by and large, we're going to see a transition of winds from easterly to northerly. That sets the stage for Thursday's major system working its way through. For snowfall potential, 1 to 3 inches by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, and we could see hit and miss spots getting a little bit more than that depending on where these bands set up. Here's a look at your planner for Fargo-Moorhead. You're going to see a lot of snow clouds here. We're not going to be snowing all day, but we will be cloudy, gray with drizzle and mist here and there. Temperatures will climb through the mid-30s briefly, spending some time in the upper 30s before the winds become northerly. Much of the day will have a north or northeast wind. It becomes more northerly, though, as we get into the close of our day. Your afternoon forecast shows the big difference in temperatures. 18 Langdon, warm that 20 degrees along Interstate 94. Warm that another, 5 to 10 as we get down into South Dakota with the 40s there. Thursday's storm system will have an impact as we get started during the day. There'll be a chance for some snow development here. Models totally disagreeing on where this is going to be. However, because we are so cold up north and a little milder down south, it is going to be in our area here. So there'll be some snow chances, but the real heavy stuff will be confined to South Dakota and southern Minnesota. As we go through the day, though, on Thursday, it looks brutally windy with gusts over 50 miles per hour and colder air marching in. Could this be winter's swan song? Angela, thanks for uploading your photo. Now a look at your planning forecast. As we talked about Thursday, it does look like we'll be cooler with gusty north winds, and after that, we stay chilly into Saturday morning. Then Saturday afternoon and Sunday, a beautiful rebound takes place, and Andrea will be in the 40s or near 40 degrees here in the Southern Valley Sunday through Tuesday.
That's good news. And how about this?